Stop trying so hard to manifest. From my experience, trying too hard is one of the most common reasons desires don't manifest. What you believe, you shall receive. This is the simple truth of manifestation. Now, some people try to hack this equation by trying to cultivate new beliefs by affirming or visualizing their desire almost to the point of obsession. But all of that trying, scheming, and doing simply gets in the way of your manifestation. Why? Because trying too hard means you have an underlying assumption that you don't believe good things can come easily. Trying too hard can be counterproductive when it comes to manifesting your desires. Instead of feeling empowered and excited about your goals, you may feel stressed, anxious, and overwhelmed. When you try too hard, you may also become attached to a particular outcome, which can limit your ability to see other possibilities and opportunities that the universe is offering you. What you believe, you shall receive. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. In other words, the vibration you emit through your thoughts and emotions will attract matching experiences into your life. If you believe that good things come easily to you, you'll attract experiences that reflect that belief. But if you believe that you have to work hard and struggle to get what you want, you'll manifest experiences that validate that belief. Limiting beliefs like this one make all of your efforts futile because you always get the sum of what you believe in. If you don't believe good things can come easily, then you'll continue to manifest outcomes that prove your belief to be true. So why do we try so hard when manifesting? If you believe you must try really hard in order to manifest your desire, that's a sign that you are holding on to some resistant beliefs. Some common underlying beliefs behind the need to try really hard when manifesting are: I don't believe good things can come easily to me. I don't trust that the universe has my back. I don't trust that life is working out for me. Limiting beliefs like these ones create huge energetic resistance against your manifestation and block your desire from manifesting. Even if you spend all day affirming or visualizing your desire, you won't be able to manifest it unless you address these other beliefs in your system. Why? Because the universe responds to your entire belief system as a whole and sends you outcomes that match it. The universe is responding to all your beliefs. Here's the thing: you don't get to pick and choose which belief to manifest. Every single one of your beliefs is being responded to fully and completely by the universe. The universe is absolutely fair when it comes to applying universal laws like the law of attraction and the law of assumption. Therefore, what you experience in life is a reflection of the most dominant beliefs you hold. So if you believe that the universe doesn't have your back, then guess what? That's exactly what you'll manifest. This is why it's important to address your limiting beliefs when manifesting. The good news is that you can change your beliefs and shift your vibration to attract what you desire effortlessly. If you're struggling with limiting beliefs that are holding you back from manifesting your desires, there are practical steps you can take to overcome them. Step 1. Identify your limiting beliefs. The first step in overcoming limiting beliefs is to identify them. This can be challenging because often we are not aware of the beliefs that are holding us back. Limiting beliefs are usually deeply ingrained in our subconscious mind and can be difficult to recognize without some introspection and self-awareness. Here are some signs that you may have limiting beliefs that are blocking your manifestation. You feel stuck or stagnant in your life. You have difficulty making progress toward your goals. You experience feelings of doubt, fear, or anxiety about your ability to achieve your desires. You often focus on what you lack rather than what you have. You struggle to maintain a positive outlook or mindset. Once you've recognized that you have limiting beliefs, it's important to identify what they are. A limiting belief is any thought or belief that restricts your potential or holds you back from achieving your desires. Examples of limiting beliefs include: I'm not good enough. I don't deserve success. Money is hard to come by. To identify your limiting beliefs, start by paying attention to your thoughts and feelings. When you think about your desires, What thoughts come up for you? What feelings do you experience? Write them down and see if you can identify any patterns or recurring themes. You can also try journaling or meditating to help uncover your limiting beliefs. Ask yourself questions like, what beliefs do I have about myself and my ability to manifest my desires? What beliefs do I have about money, success, love, or any other area of my life that I want to improve? What fears or doubts do I have about my ability to achieve my desires? By becoming aware of your limiting beliefs, you can start to take steps to overcome them and shift your mindset towards abundance and success. Step 2. Challenge your beliefs. Once you've identified your limiting beliefs, challenge them. Ask yourself if they're really true or if they're just beliefs that you've adopted over time. Often, our limiting beliefs are based on past experiences, what we've been told by others, or societal conditioning. But just because we've believed them for a long time doesn't mean they're true. If you believe that you have to work hard to get what you want, challenge that belief by asking yourself if there are people in your life who seem to effortlessly attract abundance and success. If you can think of examples of people who seem to have it easy, then it's possible for you too. Challenging your limiting beliefs involves questioning their validity and whether they are actually true. When we believe something to be true, we often look for evidence to support that belief, while ignoring any evidence that contradicts it. However, it's important to consider all evidence and look at things objectively. One technique for challenging beliefs is to use the Socratic method of questioning. This involves asking yourself a series of questions to help you get to the root of your beliefs and whether they are accurate or not. For example, if you believe that you're not smart enough to succeed in a particular field, you can ask yourself, what evidence do I have to support this belief? Is this belief based on past experiences or assumptions? Are there any examples of people who have succeeded in this field despite not being traditionally smart? How would my life be different if I didn't believe this? Another way to challenge your beliefs is to seek out evidence that contradicts them. For example, if you believe that you're not good at public speaking, you can look for examples of times when you have spoken well in public, or seek out other people who were initially bad at public speaking but improved over time. It's important to keep an open mind when challenging your beliefs and not to dismiss evidence that contradicts them. By doing so, you may discover that your beliefs are not accurate, or that there are other ways of looking at things that can help you achieve your goals. Step 3. Shift your focus. Shifting your focus is the third step in manifesting abundance. This involves focusing on what you already have in your life rather than what you lack. It's about developing an attitude of gratitude and recognizing the abundance that surrounds you, no matter how small it may seem. To shift your focus, start by making a list of things that you're grateful for. These can be big or small things like your health, your family, your job, your home, or the beauty of nature. You can also include experiences that you've had, like a vacation or a special moment with a loved one. Write down as many things as you can think of and reflect on them often, especially when you're feeling stuck or discouraged. Focusing on what you're grateful for helps to raise your vibration and attract more positivity and abundance into your life. It shifts your perspective from one of lack to one of abundance and allows you to see the many blessings that already exist in your life. By recognizing and appreciating what you have, you create space for even more abundance to come into your life. Step 4. Let go of attachment. Attachment to a specific outcome can create resistance and block your manifestation efforts. When you're too focused on a particular outcome, you may be inadvertently limiting the possibilities that the universe has in store for you. Instead of focusing on a specific outcome, focus on the feeling that you want to experience. Letting go of attachment means releasing the need to control how and when your desires manifest. It's important to trust that the universe will bring you what you truly desire in a way that is for your highest good. When you focus too much on a specific outcome, you may miss out on other opportunities that could be even better for you. Let's say you want to manifest a romantic partner. Instead of fixating on a specific person or a particular relationship outcome, focus on the feeling you want to experience in a relationship. This could be a feeling of love, connection, and mutual respect. When you focus on these feelings, you're opening yourself up to a wider range of possibilities and potential partners who could bring those feelings into your life in unexpected and wonderful ways. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.